Abahinzi b'ekihingwa kya beli abarukurenga mu 300 okurugwa mu district ya Kabarore berundanira Chayiboma omu Rurembo Fort Portal okongera kutunga obukugu omukwinga ekihingwa eki.
Hatia sitwa birinda bare ekera ngachai ngomwani bitu tukaanza bitu tukakorendeke tuneko kandi tukabaraganisha tukakorendeke okutivu yaseyo.
Ekihingwa kya beli ni kihingwa emirundi ebiri mu mwaka kandi nikisingayo kukura kurungi omu myanya y'enshozi.
Has helped us to put our children in school, build good houses, and doing everything possible, and also live a good life as peasants. That's what we have achieved from you.
Omushomo gutebekanisiibwa hansi y'ehururu emanyurwe nka cheers to farmers.
We have never had, it is like when a big man in the house has eaten and then says, thank you for cooking our food. We are the cooks and we cook for Nile Brewers. So we are very happy. If what we cook makes you big stomachs like mine.
By sharing best practices across borders, we can accelerate innovation, protect livelihoods, and deliver consistent, high-quality produce that supports food security across the region.
Rabuhinga Richard Aboki, mkuru wa district ya Kabarore, ashoboye ku district eyetegwire kutungura obuhingi.
But since 2018, when we introduced barley growing in the Rwenzori region, in the mountainous areas, we received it with both hands and actually adding on to the fifth agroeconomic zoning, because we know that barley is a key contributor to the local economy as far as our growth is concerned.
Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Jonathan Simbwiri.